Hey, this is Hal Electronica. Let's lock in on how to streamline your followers on Instagram. Check it out. Instagram wants you to connect with more folks, but how do you do that when you have too many people giving you information? What's the fix? Well, one suggestion is you probably want to look at your followers to see who you don't want to follow as much. Let me show you the steps. In the lower right-hand corner, click your icon, and then from there, go ahead and go to your following. So in the following, Instagram is kind enough to tell you, as you can see, the people you least interact with. You can click that and do one of two things. Look at the list and determine, do you want to stop following them or not? Or hit the three dots, manage the notifications, and then to stop getting notifications such as the posts, the reels, just turn that joker off. That way it's not cluttering your timeline. Second suggestion I would give you is now you're going to have to, and this exercise takes a while, scroll down your list and determine who's aligning with you, whether it be a colleague, friend, family, somebody who's with your brand, and do the same exercise. Decide, do you want to follow them, stop following them, stop following what they're doing, managing their notifications, and that will help reduce. All right, let me know if you got any questions about the process, and let's be more efficient. Because in order to spark connections aligning with the Instagram goal, you got to monitor and manage your current ones. And I think the best way to do that is to pare it down to people you're actively engaging with your brand.